In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails and get response. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First things first, let's start by heading over to the Get Response dashboard. This is your control center where all the magic begins. Once you're there, look for the Tools option, which is normally placed within easy reach on the dashboard. Clicking on it opens up a suite of functionalities that aid in managing your email campaigns. Next, you'll want to select Email Marketing. This is your dedicated space for crafting and managing impactful email campaigns tailored to your audience. Once you're in the email marketing section, you'll see the option to create a newsletter. Think of this like starting with a blank canvas. It's your opportunity to draft a message customized to engage your audience. When you click on Create a Newsletter, you'll be presented with different options on how to proceed. While there are multiple pathways, today we'll be focusing on creating the email by myself, giving you full control over every detail and component. Moving forward, you'll reach the stage where you need to input the newsletter name. This part is crucial because it helps organize your email campaigns, especially if you're managing multiple newsletters. Next up, you'll need to choose a list from your contact database. Selecting the right list ensures that your email reaches the correct recipients, so make sure it aligns with your target audience. At this point, it's always a good idea to double-check the email settings. Accuracy here ensures that there are no hiccups later on, especially when dealing with multiple contacts. You'll want to pay special attention as you type in the subject line. This often determines whether your recipients open the email or not, so craft something compelling and relevant. Once that's set, you can go ahead and add recipients by selecting the right list, then hitting Add to finalize your choices. If you have any files to attach, now is the time to do so. Just click on Attach File and then Add Files to include any relevant documents or images. However, if you decide that attaching files isn't necessary, clicking on Cancel will take you back to earlier settings where you can focus on designing the message instead. Crafting a visually appealing email can have a major impact, and the Design Message feature allows you to dive into your creativity. Pick a template that best reflects your message. You can modify it to fit your brand's aesthetic and tone. Once satisfied with the design, click Next to move towards finalizing your email setup. Here, you can choose to schedule for later or send immediately. Today, we're opting to send the email right away, which leads us directly to the final step. Click Send Message, and just like that, your email will be on its way out to your selected audience. Congratulations, you've just sent an email using GetResponse.